One of my favorite productivity tools is Wispr Flow. What it does is AI dictation. And if you're wondering, Chris, why don't I just turn on my microphone and do dictation with my microphone? You can. I have done that before. Wispr Flow will remove all filler words from whatever you say. It'll also summarize and put into bullet points if it thinks it should be in bullet points. If you make a mistake, as an example, if I say, hey, can we meet on Tuesday? Scratch that. I think I'd rather meet on Wednesday. It won't put in there, can we meet on the Tuesday? Scratch that. It knows that I want to meet on Wednesday. Wispr Flow is free to use. They also have a paid account. I am using the free one in this example. Wispr Flow will work in almost any box you can click on. So that means you can use it in Teams, Gmail, Slack, wherever there's a box you can click to type, Wispr Flow will work. It is turned on by using a keyboard shortcut. I'm using the default keyboard shortcut today, which is Control and the Windows key for me. You'll see this. Another great feature is Wispr Flow is based in the US and all their servers are in the US. I'm just letting you know this. I know I may get this question. There is also a privacy mode you can turn on. If you turn on the privacy mode, absolutely nothing is stored on their servers, just so you know that. So you do have to have an internet connection for Wispr Flow to work. Let's go ahead and jump into a couple of different examples. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite apps, Microsoft Teams. I'm going to do a chat right now. So I pulled up my colleague, Carol Wilson. There is the box that says type a message. Again, could do Windows H and pull up the microphone, but that's going to pick up all my filler words and pick up everything that I said. Let's use Wispr Flow. You'll hear me use some filler words intentionally, and also I will change some of what I'm saying. So there I am in the box. I'm going to do Windows key and Control to turn on Wispr Flow, and you'll see it showing up in the bottom here. Hey, Carol, it's Chris. I hope you're having a great Sunday. If we can, I want to get together next Tuesday to discuss, you know what? I don't want to get together on Tuesday. I want to get together on Wednesday. Here's what I would like to discuss: the budget for 2027, the training plan for Q4 of this year, the different conference locations for 2027 annual retreat, and I specifically want to discuss a couple cities for next year: Chattanooga, Nashville, and San Diego. I guess that's actually 3 and not a couple. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Talk to you next week. I released the keyboard shortcut Control Windows. Hey, Carol, hope you're having a great Sunday. Notice it put nothing in there about Tuesday in my text. It decided to go ahead and do bullets based on what I said, and I'm looking at them, and it did get them correct what I said. And finally, it did pick up, I guess that's actually 3, not a couple. I thought it decided that's important enough to keep in there. But this looks good. Send it off. That simple. There's Wispr Flow. I don't think I did any filler words. Let me try again with some filler words. If we get a chance, let me think about this. If we get a chance, can we take a look at the hiring plan for Q3 for this year? And also, I know we've got some new marketing material. I'd like to look at that. Did leave out the filler words it put in there. Let me think about that. Maybe I can always go and delete that, but still, there you go. Not picking up the filler words right there. The other huge advantage of Wispr Flow, one, is so simple to use, but it is so much easier to talk than to type. So let's pop over into one more app and give it a shot. I am over in my M365 Copilot. I do have a paid license. I want to create an Excel file from scratch. So I'm sitting right here in the Copilot chat box or prompt box. Create an Excel file for me for human resources. Here are the fields that I want. I want employee ID, last name, first name, city, state. I would like the department also. And if you could, give me at least 75 sample records in the file. Okay, it looks like it got everything I wanted, and I could just simply send this off. Copilot will go and do its work and create that Excel file for me. There you go. Huge fan of Wispr Flow. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below and have a wonderful day. Thank you.